Hello folks, welcome back. We'll be heading to moose camp. In this video you'll see me head up to moose camp, and we're gonna head up there and make a fire and then head to bed because it's getting late, and got my dog Coda with me. He's a good dog, training him. And I'm a little scared from last time, to be honest, but you're with me, so I'm not that scared. You got my back, I got your back. We'll head over to moose camp and we'll look around for some moose in this video. Hopefully we get lucky. Alright, thank you, and please subscribe to Outdoors with Mike. It helps grow the channel. Thank you. Just left the boat launch. Heading out. Hello folks, I drove like halfway there and there's some moose tracks I ran into. I'd like to show you. Here's the view, My dog's noisy, I don't like that. Sit, Cora, sit. No, go sit. He's scaring the moose. But anyways, here's the tracks. A little old. It's like a big one. See? Big moose. There's a big track. They're trotting around here. Yep. Some moose tracks here. Looks like a cow moose. Alright. I'll do some calls here, see if I get anything. Oh, he jumped out. Alright. He's being noisy. Gotta put him back in. There's moose around. They call this place boiling water. It looks like it's boiled there, that's why. Hello guys, getting dark. Seen a couple tracks, one beaver and some ducks. Getting late, moose camp's around the corner, and we'll go there and cut some wood and make a fire right away and set up the lights. Just about at moose camp. There's a few tracks. I see moose, about 3 spots. getting late. Well, folks, we made it to moose camp. Coda and I. Coda's right there. Yeah, we'll go up there and check moose camp out. Just got here. There's the view of the river. Down over here, the view. Getting late, we'll make a fire, go up there and check moose camp. We just got here. We'll see what's up there, and we'll make a fire, and we'll cut some wood and have lots of wood we'll try to make a fire outside and have a big fire. All right, we're gonna go check up there. Come on, boy. Hip, hip, hip. Sick him, boy. Sick him. That's mine. That's mine. Go, go. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me up. Go, boy. Go, boy. Get him. Sick him. Pull me. Haha. Ta-da. Yeah. There she is. Moose camp. Our board, nothing came here. Our board's still up. Beautiful view. Oh! 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 Yeah, we'll get some wood. Maybe this one here. Could have knocked our thing down. Oh yeah. He's been back. More chews on there. Up there, see? He's still coming here. More chews on this side. We'll have to watch out. We'll have to watch out. You're with me though. You got my back, I got your back. Check over here. Oh, wagon trail here. Yipper, look at that, he chewed it out again. Right there. Over here too. More. Over here. Out here too. Couple more. Yeah. We'll make a fire, get set up. Our camp. This is where we sleep. And then we could, so we don't have to sleep outside. We could sleep inside there, keep warm. All right, make a fire and get set up.